Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are right now. Like what I've said on my previous video, that I'll be doing another recording showing you guys the progress of my account here in Mining City. Before we jump into that, let's do a time check. It's 10:53 in the morning here in Bangkok, Thailand, and the date is 28th of August 2020, and thank God it's Friday. So let's jump into my account. So this is my account here in Mining City. The reason why I'm so excited to do this recording, because it's my first day to receive a payout here in Mining City, and I received $1.43 worth of BTCV or Bitcoin Vault, based on the package that I bought in Mining City. The package that I bought in is the minimum package, which is the $300 package. On this package, you will have 1,100 days of mining, and your account will start mining 10 days after the purchase. And you will also have 3 terahash per second. That's your hash rate. And if you buy in using BTCV or Bitcoin Vault, you will have an additional 100 days. So that means that you will have 1,200 days of mining, which is really good. But obviously, if you buy in the higher package, you will earn more, because your hash rate will increases as well, especially the gold package and the platinum package. So let's do a quick calculation based on my earning this morning, which is $1.43. Let's bring up the calculator. So $1.43 multiply by 1,100 days your contract, or 1,200 days if you manage to join Mining City before the promotions ends, which is the one I told you, the 100 days additional. So $1.43 multiply by 1,200 days your contract. So $1,716 it's what you will earn in total at the end of your contract, which is a huge profit with only a capital of $300. Well, I'm expecting to earn more than that, because because Bitcoin Vault, the value of it will increase in the next few months, and how much more in the next few years as well. This is going to be a short recording, but just before I let you go, I would like to show you the current value of Bitcoin Vault, so you could see for yourself. Bitcoin Vault value. So as of now, the price of Bitcoin Vault is $269.76 per one Bitcoin Vault. Just before I recorded this video, I saw an interesting article that shows the prediction of Bitcoin Vault in 1 year from now or 5 years from now. You can see this for yourself as well. So if you look at here, you will see that the value for BTCV or Bitcoin Vault in 1 year from now will be $1,712. But this is even more interesting. in 5 years from now, Bitcoin Vault will be 6,271 US dollars per one Bitcoin Vault. So I strongly suggest that you do your own research about Bitcoin Vault. Their website is Bitcoin Vault Global. And also do your own research about Mining City as well, and also Mindbest. Mindbest, they are the strategic partner of Mining City. They are the one who owns the mining farm and also the equipment that they're using to mine Bitcoin and Bitcoin Vault. And also check out the article that I published on LinkedIn as well. The subject is why I choose Mining City and Bitcoin Vault. And also the other article that I published, if you scroll down below, it will help you understand more about Mining City. But no worries, I'll attach this on this post. So stay tuned. What I'll be doing in my next video is that I'll be showing you how you'll be able to calculate your profit in Mining City. And also, I'll be showing you as well how does their referral program works, and also the resources that you could find in the internet and also in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you, and you have enjoy your weekend. Bye for now. Thanks.